In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 1688 and Taobao accounts. 2025, step by step. We'll walk through the Taobao sign-up flow from start to finish, and you can apply the same process to 1688 since the pages look and behave very similarly. Start by opening your preferred browser. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox all work well. Go to world.taobao.com or head straight to login.taobao.com. If the page appears in Chinese, consider using your browser's built-in translate feature so labels and buttons are easier to understand. On the login screen, look for the register option. It's usually placed near or under the login box. Click register to begin creating a new account rather than attempting to sign in. You'll first be asked to select your country or region. Open the country dropdown and choose the location that matches your mobile number. Make sure the country code shown is the one your phone uses so that text messages arrive correctly. Next, enter your mobile number without the leading 0. Many countries display numbers that start with a 0 for local dialing, but registration forms expect the international format after the country code, so removing that first 0 is important. When you're done, click Next. You'll see a simple slider verification. Drag the slider to complete the puzzle, which confirms you're a real person. If it doesn't pass the first time, just try again and keep the cursor steady as you slide. Taobao will send a 6-digit verification code by SMS. Check your messages, type the code into the website, and submit. Don't share this code with anyone. Only enter it on the official page. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and look for a recent option. You'll now create your password. Choose something between 6 and 20 characters and aim for a mix of letters and numbers for better security. Avoid easy-to-guess combinations and consider using a password manager to store it safely. Before continuing, you'll be prompted to agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Review them if you wish, then tick the boxes to proceed. These are required to finish registration. That's it. Your Taobao account is created and you'll be redirected to the login or home page. From here, you can sign in and start browsing. As a quick tip, keep your phone nearby for future security verifications and double check that your browser translation is on if you prefer English. Follow the same flow on 1688 using your mobile number, slider verification, SMS code, and password. You're now set up to shop and explore across